Are you watching me on YouTube? Good. I'd like to play a game with you.
Hey, shit, man. What's up with that shit now, nigga? What's up with that shit now, nigga? You talking? Huh? What's up?
DJ.
Oh, yeah. What's up there, nigga? What's up there? Let's do something. Bring your mouth, come on, nigga. Shit, nigga, I'm telling you, my nigga, stop bumping your gums. Let's go ahead and do what we're doing, nigga. What's this up, my nigga? What's up, nigga? Check this out, right? Lil Jon, nigga. I just got along with platinum shit. Don't leave with all chains, nigga. Let's go. All up in the club and the niggas wanna blow. When you step up to their face, what they gon' do? If you ball up in the club and the hoes all that you know. When you step up to them hoes, what they gon' do? What they gon' do? What they gon' do? What they gon' do? Lil Jon, nigga. Crusher.
Y'all scared to fight, y'all don't wanna trouble. These people hating, it's the bone crusher. Put on my side, cause you think I'm a punk, tell a bone crusher. A kid, I would do it like Freddy Krueger. We come moving, working like Les Luger. Told you before, nothing but straight fighting. I'm like an LB, hit you like Mike Tyson. Only thing you hear, y'all don't wanna fight. Only thing you see, y'all ain't no more inside. Give me the gasoline mask, I will unite. Motherfucker, it's going down tonight.
Hello. Are you watching me on YouTube? Good. I'd like to play a game with you.
Dre, I see dead people.
I want to play a game.
Yo, Dre, thought I was dead. West Coast, I'm the doctor's advocate. Nigga, Dre shot you, brought me back from the dead. That's why they call him the doctor. The math gon' drop him, and 50 ain't rockin' with him no more. It's okay, I get it poppin'. Whole club rockin' like a 6-4 Impala. Drink Chris, throw it up, call the shit hydraulics. Then piss in the cup, call the shit hypnotic. I bleed Compton, spit crack and shit chronic. And you new niggas ain't shit but new niggas. Fake the Nick, shoe niggas, I'm talking to you, nigga. Bouncing the 6-4, throwing up West Side, man. Sell another 5 million albums, yes I am. Fresh like